Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. Today we are not doing a hair video, but today I'm going to share with you how you can decorate your Christmas table without spending too much money, under $50, or let's say just above $40. So let's start with the wall. The backdrop, I got this on Amazon for $17.99. That's actually the most expensive out of everything here. Now let's get to the table. This tablecloth, I got this from a discount store for $9.99. I also got the flowers at the discount store, and each flower costed $1.99, and I bought 5 flowers. And the candles also costed $1.99, and I only bought 2 candles. We hope you enjoyed this video and that we were able to inspire you to decorate for Christmas. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.